Here we have a 2013 BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just down there. We also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We also have the M Performance Kit, the two black front kidney grills. Round to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the M badging, we have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows, privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler just there. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find the exhaust along with the rear diffuser. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's take a look now at the interior. Inside of here you'll find the full leather interior, full black leather. We also have both of these front seats heated, and there's a look at them. On the doors you'll find the electric windows which are out for the rear, the electric mirrors as well. We also have the auto lights just down there, the multifunctional steering wheel which has speed limiter and cruise control. We have the auto wipers on that stalk. There is a look at the dashboard and the main infotainment screen in the centre console which has the likes of sat-nav. We also have DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.